Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out these Taken CR123A batteries here. So here's this is a 6-pack of these guys, and these are super, not the most common batteries, but they're usually in like smoke detectors, glass breakers, like alarm, motion detector sensors and things like that. They're pretty common for that, but they last a long time. I've had one in my my motion detector in the bedroom for I don't know how many years, and haven't had to replace them. But when you do need to replace them, kind of nice to get like on bulk online. So these Taken batteries seem to be fairly good 10-year shelf life. So even though these batteries do last a long time, you kind of keep these in like a cooler place, and they're going to last a long time for you. So nice little 6-pack here of these batteries, and come with a little thing with their specifications. So Taken brand seems pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.